Welcome to the Resogra Vendor Academy. Resogra is the world's marketplace, and your shop can sell far beyond your own town. But when a package crosses a border, customs needs two small pieces of information, and buyers in other countries can only order from you once you switch international selling on. In this short guide, I'll show you 3 quick settings that open your store to the whole world, a switch that lets people abroad buy from you, a customs code that clears your product at the border, and the country where it was made. It takes about a minute, and you only do it once per product. Start by opening the product you want to sell abroad, then click the Made to Measure tab. This is where Resogra keeps the shipping and customs details a product needs to travel to another country. Everything for international selling lives on this one screen. First, turn on this switch. This product may be shipped internationally. Until you check it, buyers in other countries cannot add your product to their cart. One click here quietly opens your shop to customers around the world, and it reveals the 2 customs fields below. Next, enter your HS code. HS stands for Harmonized System, a short number that tells customs exactly what your product is, so it clears the border smoothly and is taxed correctly. You can look yours up for free at the sites shown here. For a cotton t-shirt, for example, it is 6109.10.00. Now choose your country of origin, the country where your product was actually made. Customs uses this together with the HS code to apply the right rules and duties. Pick it from the list. Finally, click Save, and this product is ready to sell across borders. Do this once for each product you want to offer worldwide, and your shop is open to buyers everywhere. That is how a local store becomes a global one. And that is international selling set up, the switch that welcomes buyers from other countries, the customs code that clears the border, and the country of origin that keeps everything correct. Thanks for watching, and visit Resogra.com for more free vendor tutorials.